So guys, like, I had to go change and get ready for the day. It's getting, not the day actually, but it's getting a bit late. But yeah, come along with me as I go to Lowe's to go get paint, and then we'll see what we can do next. Peace. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's a bright new day. The sun is kind of out. It's not really that out, but it's kind of out. So yesterday, as I said, I was able to go get some paint, get some paintbrush, and got a roller, got some tarp, got some tape. So today we'll be doing that. We'll be painting this accent wall, as we said. So we'll be doing that, and I might get some help from a friend and also from my wife. So expect to see that. But apart from that, we got this paint from Sherwin-Williams, and this is the color. So yeah, I know I said I have to be painting, but man gotta eat. So I'm here for some breakfast, but yeah. So guys, man, I went to eat this pancakes, and damn, if I don't do this today, I will definitely not do this on any other day. So guys, was able to finish taping the stuff, and currently I need to show you what I just did. So this is what has been done so far. Yeah, that one is pretty shady. You feel me? That one is pretty shady there. But yeah, done that, gone around, remove those stuff here, and there, and then have this here. Probably have to remove the curtain bars, but yeah. It ain't easy. So guys, we decided to change and paint that particular wall because of some few things, you know. So yeah, we prepping that side and then paint that wall. So guys, I don't know if you can see, but I'm a bit tired, but so far this is what has been done. Just about to do the second coat on it, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, I am done with the painting. It is looking good. Just a little bit. I'm not pleased with a little part of it, but so far this is it, and this is the work that has been done. So it does look good, except this place. I don't know what is wrong with this place, but yeah. But apart from that, everything else is looking good. I think I have to retouch that place again, but apart from that, everything is looking good. Good morning, guys. It's another day after 24 hours The whole project is done, so I would say it's been very good. It's been a great opportunity to work on this thing. It turned out really good, so I'm happy about the job I was able to do and the help of friends. But yeah, it's been good. I will just walk you through what was done. Really did turn out really good, in my opinion. There's a few touch-ups that needs to be made, but yeah, did a whole good job. Just need to finish up with this. Yeah, need to paint that. Thank you guys for watching this, and thank you for joining my journey as I painted this accent wall. I'm very excited with the decorations and the things I'll be doing in this space. So if you want to see the other stuff I'll be unboxing, like my new stuff I'll be getting during this period, please like, subscribe, and share. Help a boy out. That boy's have bread. But yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.